So as a skater, there's always been kind of one thing in my setup that I've never really had, and that's lights. When I was younger and you had kind of like your lights set up to go night skating, you had to have a generator that needed gas, you needed 2 big lights, you needed big extension cords, you needed a lot of stuff. It was like a really big setup. It makes sense why a lot of people didn't even want to carry lights or have a generator or all that hassle. But now obviously we're living in 2024. We have like the big battery packs that you can just connect stuff already. You can pre-charge. I mean, we've come a long way. The reason why I got these lights right now was obviously because it's summertime. It's super hot during the day and the only time I'm really skating is at nighttime. And not all skate parks have lights. And a lot of my favorite skate spots don't have lights either. That kind of got me to where I am now. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy some lights. Because I always see cool night footage. Either it's just like in skate videos, at a skate park. I mean, even in the barracks. When you light up a spot, it really brings it to life in a whole new way. Also, it just makes the footage look cool. Skating at night feels kind of cool. It's a whole thing. So obviously I started looking online for lights. My goal was to really spend under $100. And I wanted to find at least 2 light fixtures that can light up a decent amount of area. A few links later, I ended up on Amazon and I found these lights for I think like $80, I think. I'll make sure to leave the link in my bio so you guys can purchase them if you guys think they're worth getting. I honestly haven't tried them out yet to this point. They are literally still inside the box. So today I thought we'd do a nice little unboxing and kind of test these lights out before I bring it out to a street spot or a skate park or something, you know. We're gonna charge them up, we're gonna see how long they last, and we're gonna light up my mini ramp. It's funny because even in my backyard, we really don't have any lights to light up my mini ramp. So I think these will do a great job. They advertise these lights lighting up essentially a full basketball court. But a basketball court's pretty big. That's a lot of space and a lot of light. So I really don't know what to expect. I mean, look how little this box is. The box says it's like 8.9 pounds, which is really light. So I was looking at the industrial lights from like Home Depot or Lowe's, kind of the ones I remember people using for skating. And those things are really expensive. They're like at least $200-300 or something, especially if you want one with multiple lights on it. You know what? That sounds like a pretty big investment. I'm not gonna run that yet. So enough of me talking about this. Let's just like open this up because I'm honestly so curious about this. Because I feel like it's gonna honestly be a great investment or a terrible investment. Okay, so here we go. We're opening it up. All right. So let's see what we got in the box right now. There's really not much in here. 2 of these, I'm assuming these are gonna be the actual lights. So let's see how big these things are. I mean, it would have been cool if this kind of came in a big case or something, but okay, that's the first light we got in here. Honestly, I mean, it looks like it'll be kind of bright. I hope so. Just making sure none of these are, you know, damaged or anything. I mean, they're only like in some bubble wrap like this. It's not in anything too crazy. Yeah, this one looks pretty solid too. Nuts and knobbies. I mean, I guess it's supposed to charge, it says. I don't know. I'm gonna have to double check that. I might just be lying and say that, but okay. We got a nice tripod it comes with. I mean, honestly, you're getting some pretty nice tripods with this thing. We literally just put this on top of this and then we screw it in, and I think that's all she wrote. Yeah, that's a lot more secure than I thought it was gonna be. All right, let's see how high this thing goes up now. Pretty nice. Oh, whoa, the base is really big actually. I'll film a different angle so you guys can get a closer look. So okay, it's a little shaky at that height. But when you tighten it, it's not too bad. Oh, it's actually really good when you tighten it. Okay, well, is that? Actually, I was looking at this and I think it actually does go even higher. Look at that. Oh, wow. So it's actually like taller than me. Oh yeah. That's like, this thing goes about 6 feet tall for sure. This thing is really high up. Whoa. That's pretty chill actually. Okay. Nice to know. We're gonna turn it on right now and kind of see how this goes. Oh, okay, that's really, really bright. I just looked at that light when I turned it on and oh man. Yeah, so this is really, really bright. And I might have to mention like this cord is really long actually. It's pretty decent. It's pretty thick too. I do like how it has this button. So anyways, I'm excited to test these things out tonight. This is gonna be like my power source essentially, my battery tonight. I do have a plug-in right there. So we'll see how bright and how long this lasts. Okay, so just to clarify, the lights actually are not rechargeable, even though it does say that on Amazon. That's the one annoying thing. So just already kind of like I'm docking it a point just because it says that and it's not rechargeable. I do have one battery pack right now that I can actually plug a light into. So I did get this one on Amazon. Literally, it came today. It was like normally $100, but it was on sale for $70. I'll add the link to this thing as well. We'll see how this thing does. I feel like I can always use one of these anyways. I always need like a portable charger like everywhere I go. What makes this obviously this portable charger like way nicer is that, you know, you can obviously use a normal like 120 volt like outlet into it, which is kind of chill. Well, this thing is really nice already. Like look at this packaging. I'm like very impressed already. So look at this thing. Oh, it's kind of heavy actually. Look at this little brick right here. I believe that's a light right there too. But look at this thing. Wow. You got USBs, 1, 2, 4 USBs and a USB in there. It's not too bad, honestly. This thing's like pretty compact. It's definitely small, but it's definitely really heavy. I wonder how long it takes to charge, and I wonder how long it charges. But I think this is going to be a great option for our light. And so tonight is going to be obviously all about that. I like stuff in here. Whoa. What is all this? Was it like a cigarette lighter or something? Like what is that thing? All right, here's the actual charger. Okay, cool. Seems pretty chill. Is that not where that thing or what is this thing? Oh, right. Is that where? Yeah. Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right, right in the back, plugged in right there. We're going to charge this thing. Oh, it already actually has like 3/4 of a battery already. That's pretty chill. I wonder how we turn this big light on. Oh, there's a power button right here. Oh, so you can turn it on and off. Okay, cool, cool. The little power button actually does do it. Okay, so you can actually conserve your battery. Doesn't always keep it on. Oh, that light is pretty chill, actually. It's not the brightest thing I've ever seen, but we're also inside, so we'll find out. Oh, it's got a few different settings. Oh, okay, that's pretty chill. Oh, I like this thing already. Okay, I'm a fan. I'm gonna charge this for a little bit, and then we will go test all this stuff outside. I know this is like not relevant, but the only thing this thing honestly is missing is like a speaker. If this thing was like also like a Bluetooth speaker, just saying, that'd be so sick. So I think I got everything for the little night session we're gonna be testing everything out on. All right, now I just wanna go over everything really quick now that I have all the things I'm gonna be needing tonight. I have my 2 little lights set up. These are from Amazon. These are the like $80 lights. They're not actually rechargeable. And I had a feeling, I don't know, something was telling me just in case that they weren't rechargeable to have something. This company Ego, whatever, is kind of great. Like you can use one battery and it charges your like leaf blower, your lawnmower, a few other things. But they also make this little adapter that was like 20 bucks. And you can also plug in your 120 volt right here. So this is gonna be powering one of the lights. And then I just picked this one up, like I was saying, from Amazon today. This thing also has a little charge butt right here. It doesn't have a full battery, this thing. It's only about 3/4 filled. I gave it a little bit of juice right now. I'm not planning on skating really a ton tonight. This is really just kind of test out the lights, see how bright they really are. This one claims that it's like a 5-hour use or something. It was about 4 hours or something. I'm gonna be skating obviously that long tonight, but it'll just be a kind of a good test to see what we're working with. Like, as I'm by myself right now, the only thing that does suck about this is that like I don't have hands to carry everything down at once. But I mean, obviously when I'm night skating, I'm gonna have a homie with me or something, so they're gonna be carrying the lights, right? I was like, can you guys even see me in here? At least there's a little light right here so you guys like can see your boy mobbing up and down the stairs right now. It's funny, like our place is like on a slant, like you'll see, like the backyard's on a slant, so there's stairs to get down here. Anyways, we got the lights. I'm gonna put one here and then one on the other side. We'll see, let's go plug one in and then we'll see what's up. It's so dark kinda and scary. I don't know why, it's like, it seems like extra creepy out tonight. Okay, I'm gonna come back and get you guys and we'll move over here. I love how dark it is. Oh, you know what? Okay, so this thing already is super sick because, oh no, okay, look, this thing already has a light on here. Hell yeah. So this thing is already being awesome right now. So I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna plug in this light first. We'll see what's cooking with this. That's on. Now let's see how much light we're about to get. Uh-oh, it's not even turning on. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Whoa, that's so bright. That's just with one light. Yo, with one light, that's pretty good. It's not too bad. Like, can you guys see that? That's pretty good. Oh yeah, you guys can oh, well now you could see it. Wow, that's really lit up the ramp. That's insane. Like that's so bright. So the only thing is when like you're night skating, you don't want to be looking at the lights. So I can't tell if the light's better this way and that way, or if it's better behind me. But no, then you'll get blinded going on the coping. So this might be the best. I'm gonna leave this one here, and then we're gonna set one up on the other side of the ramp, and we'll see what it looks like. The fact that it has the flashlight on this is amazing. Like, this is so chill. I'm already loving this. I'll tell you guys that. This thing is so chill. It's definitely like really bright. Oh, I should have like blown the ramp off. It's so, there's so much stuff on it. And we'll see if this thing's gonna give us light. Oh yeah, right? Oh, we're so good on this right now? Wow, that's so bright. I'm pretty impressed actually with these lights. They're working a lot better than I thought. I'm gonna leave this battery pack up here. But wow, that lights it up pretty good. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Okay, I guess I believe now when it says it can light up a whole basketball court. I believe it. Whoa, so it's so bright. Wow, that's actually pretty amazing how bright it is right now. I might just even leave the camera up here just to like film a few tricks from up here, but this looks pretty good. Wow, no, these lights are definitely banging. Whoa, I've never skated my ramp at nighttime. This is gonna be an experience right now. I still can't believe how good these lights are though. This is kind of amazing. This is so crazy. All right, well, let's take a few little runs. Oh, dude, this is so chill. Oh yeah, these lights are definitely chilling up. I'm gonna definitely have to go light some spots up or something with this. But it's really just enough for the ramp. Like, this is great. I think in the summertime, I think this is the way to do it, you know? If you're just gonna go light up something, it could be chill. Oh, my coping is so dry. I haven't skated this in a while. But dang, this is working so good. Okay, okay. Oh, I haven't done these tricks in so long. Okay, okay. Whenever you skate at nighttime, it's literally such a different vibe, even if you're skating the same spot that you do during the day. Definitely elevates it. So I think honestly the best thing about this is that they're quiet, because usually when you skate at nighttime, I've mentioned, like, usually you have a generator, it's pretty loud. And honestly, like, when it's loud, you're gonna cause kind of like a lot of like attention around you, especially if you're like street skating. No, these are really quiet. I actually found wax out here. Insane. Oh yeah, that coping sounds terrible. Oh my God. I just want to get a few scratches on here. Oh, that's buttery as hell now. I think that's the only thing though. When you fall and your board shoots out into the dark, you're like, where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh. All right. It's funny how you could see like the cookie studio behind us. It's all lighting up behind us. That's kind of fun. I wonder if we'll see Nick in there. A little poppage right there. Dope. All right, well, I think that was a great test tonight, just seeing how bright these lights actually are. I'm happy that both the battery packs definitely work with the lights. I was a little kind of worried about that. I didn't know if those battery packs had enough power. But yeah, everything seems to be pretty chill. So hopefully now, tomorrow, we'll go sesh somewhere else tomorrow night. Now knowing that this is definitely a go. I'm already starting to sweat out here. Oh man. Definitely beats skating in the heat though during the day. So definitely a win. All right, now I have to go pack all this stuff up. I wish these lights had some type of like better protection, so when I like travel with these, it's not super sketchy. But that's my only other complaint.